Struggling to get results for meta ads. The problem might be wrong interest targeting. Let me show you step by step how to choose the right interest. First, log into your Meta Ad Manager and click the Create option. Then choose your campaign objective. For now, I choose leads and then continue. Now this video is only for how we can make meta interest in right approach. So that's why I skip all the steps here. If you want to learn how to run an ad, you can check out our channel. Now you go to your ad set level, where you can find suggest an in-audience segment. You find options like age, gender, and location. So at first you choose your basic targeting options like age, gender, and location. After that, go to detail targeting option. Here you can add a basic target for your business. Like if I am a digital marketing agency, I write digital marketing. Here you can find more suggestions by Facebook. Here you can see social media marketing is a part of the digital marketing agency. You can select this. You can see online advertising, advertise in social media. So you also select those options. Now the people your target must have a business. So you can add small business, you can add business owner. So like this, you can target the people who needs your service. You also add behavior as well as. You can add engaged shopper. It is a behavior. Like you can duplicate your ad set and put different interest on your ad set for testing which interest can gives you more audience and right audience. If you cannot define your audience, then you can use the Meta AI optimization for making interest and audience for you. But yes, if you are able to understand and to do how to run a business, how to run an ad on Meta ads, then you can make a manual ad through our Meta ad tutorials. So it's over now, and I think it helps you for making interest. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.